Gold and silver traded bearish. Yet again, we have seen gold sliding in the earlier trades today towards 3280, while silver has also traded below 3650, 3640 zone. What to expect today? Big day again. The NFP data is definitely going to bring volatility here. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the NFP data, before the US session as usual. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, let's have a look at gold on the hourly chart. See what has happened on gold. It is trading clearly in this bearish channel here. What is happening here? See, after this retracement, it is just consolidating, forming a nice flag. So now if you see it is staying beyond 3300, you can initiate a buy. That is the only level beyond which we can expect slight bullishness to prevail. And that too, it is very, very important for gold to trade above 3310 and then 3316 levels here. Two key levels for gold to break beyond. If these two levels are taken, we can expect further bullishness. Else you can clearly see what's happening here. It is getting a resistance from 20 period that is acting as a very strong resistance, and the prices are trying to show a pullback. Any drop below 3280 will be a good indication for another round of good drop. Stochastic rising here, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat here, so mixed indication here. Coming to 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts what's happening. Notice again the resistance is playing out very, very strong here. Very important for gold to trade beyond 3300, 3310 zone. That should be a good confirmation for us to continue with the buys here. Else it is looking downwards, else it is trading bearish as of now. If you see the moving averages, these are definitely trading with divergence, staying bearish here. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI flat here. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See the resistances are very strong on the upside. Thus, as I said, 3300 first and 3310. This is the zone which is going to play the major role today. Any breakout beyond 3310 should invite more bulls here, and then there is a possibility of further rise. Else what is happening? Drop retracement, and once it trades below 3280, we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Stochastic oversold, trying to look forward to a recovery. The MACD is also trying to look forward to a recovery here, and the RSI is also looking upward. So the indicators are suggestive of a rise here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, after the drop, it is, see, first of all, this was outside Bollinger Bands. It has shown a pullback resistance here from 20 period, and then again a drop. Now what is happening? See, increasing body size were seen for the preceding few candles. You can see this, how these beautiful steps are created. First 3290 has offered it a little resistance, and then this greater slide has appeared. Now it is trying to recover. So again, if you even see it is staying below 3288, you can take a sell at 3288, expect it to move towards 3280. And once 3280 is taken, this time the slide is going to be all the way towards 3260 levels, the next target zone. Stochastic has dropped, trading moderately bearish, but this is MACD which is suggestive of a rise here. Look at the MACD, it has formed a double bottom and crossing over here. This is a supportive sign for bullishness here. Let's wait for it to take a direction. It requires couple of candles for it to confirm this. When it starts to diverge and show up, confirm pullback. The RSI is placed at bottom. Coming to the daily charts, the important one. Now on the daily chart, this is an important observation. See, after months now, moving averages are converging here. See this? Ideally, we have seen the last crossover, a moderate crossover in gold in the last year, almost 10 months from now. Yes, this was the last time when we have seen a moderate crossover, and in fact, I do not see this as a crossover. This was almost a flat top here. Since almost 2 years, you can see this was the last buy cross, and since then the gold price is stayed bullish. Now this is crossing over here, and this is coming from a slightly higher levels, and hence you have to be extremely cautious on the daily charts. On the monthly basis, I will definitely give you further updates tomorrow in my monthly forecast for the month of August. You will get much clarity there, but looking at this, in fact, you can make out that see, this crossover is pretty important for gold. Now see what's happening here. On the daily charts, it has started on a bearish note. It is trying to show pullback. It can turn out to be a green day, yes, but not if it trades below 32 80 78 zone. We can expect a greater down move here. Be watchful what has happened here. See this, red green, then red green, and then if it trades now below 32 80 78, we are looking forward to a greater slide. Stochastic here placed at bottom. The MACD is still trading bearish and RSI flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, if you're willing to increase your profitability, if you're willing to increase your winning trades, number of winning trades, join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for queries. It is also very, very important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Join the recommended broker. The link is there in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy. Now I ideally recommend a buy now at 32.98 levels. Buy here, expect 33.0406 as the first target zone, 33.10, 33.12 as the next, and then beyond this we can expect it to move towards 33.16, 33.18. If these levels are taken, there is a possibility of a move towards 33.30 levels here, and beyond 33.30 we can expect it to move towards 33.40. Now 33.40 is one hurdle that gold needs to pass by. If and only if gold trades above 33.40, we can say that the bulls are back and it is going to rally forward. But I think it is going to be a bit difficult thing. When you look at the daily chart, see, look at the moves here. Drop, retracement, drop again, and it is very, very important for gold to trade below 32.50 in order to confirm a down move for the next few sessions. Be watchful of this as well. And now we have seen the buy side trades beyond 33.40. Anyways, sky is the limit here. We can expect 33.60 or 33.74, 76 zone. But I think it is going to be difficult. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 32.88. Expect 32.80 as the first target zone. Rather, I will say 32.80, 32.78 as the first target zone, and then 32.64, 60 will appear below 32.64 and 60. It is going to be 32.48, 32.30 and 32.20 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts. Look at the move here. Since the consolidation and drop retracement 20 period offering it a very, very good resistance, and with resistance at 20 period trying to show a pullback. Now it is pretty important for silver to trade beyond 36.80 and then 37.20 zone. If and only if it trades beyond 36.80 and 37.20, you can say that the bulls are back. So yes, if you see it is staying above 36.80, you can initiate a buying entry, but then 37.20 are the two key resistances it needs to break beyond. Then you can confirm it's a reversal, else it is right now trading bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, notice lower highs are there. Possibly lower lows can be seen. But then the selling entries now is at 36.40. When you see the higher price below 36.40, take a sell. Expect it to move towards 36.20 and 36. Till 36, it has got very, very good support available. Stochastic dropping by here, while the MACD after dropping sharp is now crossed over. Moderate bullishness is seen as of now. We have to wait for it to start diverging. That will confirm the reversal. Else it can again drop. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Notice after bigger bearish candles, retracement, one pullback candle, and now waiting for it to trade below 36.40, which will confirm further bearishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish, trying to converge crossover. It is still staying bearish, not yet crossing over. RSI placed well at bottom. On the 4 hour charts, notice reversal sign, first bearish candle. There is a possibility of a second candle here, which suggests that if you see it is staying below 36.40, you have to stay short. And beyond 36.80 is the only place where we can confirm the buys. Stochastic rising here while the MACD is still bearish. And see, most importantly, the RSI is staying oversold. But notice if it can stay overbought, it can stay oversold as well. And hence you have to be cautious. Just stick to the levels. Coming to the important one, the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. What has happened here? See, rise, retracement, and at this point itself, I have mentioned once it trades below 20 period moving average, we can look forward to a greater slip. And also one more point which we had discussed, divide this into two from here. Look at the symmetry here. And now it is almost at the verge of breaking below the symmetry. Now it is very important for silver to trade below 36. And now once it trades below 36 and 35.50, you can say that it is going to move towards the bottom here. The bottom here is at 32. Hence you have to watch out the move for this week and the next week. Any drop below 36 and 35.50 should be an indication of further bearishness. I'll update more in my monthly updates though. The stock has taken oversold here. The MACD is sharply bearish, looking downwards right from the crossover at the top, and the RSI dropping here as well. So considering this, what I'll recommend a buying entry now, it is pretty clear, is at 3680 only, where you can expect 37 and 3720 as the two resistances, and once it trades beyond 3720 you can initiate the buys here. You can expect more bullishness rather. So if you are buying at 3680, be cautious till 3720. Every 20 cents it will find a little resistance. Beyond 3720 is where the bulls are waiting. We can expect 3750 and 38, though chances are less. On the downside, take a sell at 3640, expect 3620 and 36. Very good support here till 36. Below 36, there could be a greater slide, taking it all the way towards 3550 levels all the way. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the NFP data, before the US session. What that as well. Thank you.